Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the tuberose plant, and every year we get lots of flowers from this plant. And my mom also plants new plants from the bulbs she gets from the plants each year. But in this year till now there is no flowers in our plants, even though this year's weather was different from the other times' weather. Like as you know, in Delhi in summer there was a lot of heat wave, so our plant could not even grow properly. And in the rainy season it still started to grow a little bit. Maybe that's why it's going to bloom late this year. This year my mom has also gave liquid fertilizer during the growing season, like kitchen waste compost tea leaf compost tea, coffee leaf tea, etc. My mom gave these to the plants 1 time a week. But till now the plant's condition is similar to this. So my mom thought of doing some special treatment of the plant. As you can see, she removed the weeds, the dried leaves, and she also removed the leaves that were blocking the soil's sunlight. Every plant is healthy. In each pot she planted 6 to 7 bulbs. She plants her plants like this each year, but this year there is no flowers in the plant. From many reasons, one reason that the flowers do not come to our plant is improper sunlight. This plant needs lots of sunlight, but the place where we planted our plant also had a lot of sunlight. Another reason is improper watering. This plant always requires a moist soil. Those who watched our previous videos know that we had some construction work happening in our rooftop garden. For that, the plants were neglected. Maybe that's the reason the flowers are coming a little late. Next thing we need is a good fertilizer for the plant. My mom gives kitchen waste compost, so there is not a problem because all the micro and macronutrients are already fulfilled by the kitchen waste compost. But today the fertilizer we'll be giving is old cow dung fertilizer. My mom let the cow dung sit in water for 4 to 5 days. Then she broke the cow dung in pieces. And now today she is going to give it to the plants. This is a very good manure for our plants. But even after this, if our plant does not flower, then maybe this year our plant won't flower, because it is already late. But if it does, then we'll surely make a video updating you all. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, after this we had also put our plant in a more sunny area. That's all. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.